While some calculate their profits in weight and volume, you tend to see things differently. As you carry a living cargo on your rig, the sound of beating hearts is as important as the roar of an engine. And when measuring value, the health of your payload is as important as its weight, which is why your industry requires high standards. You understand the benefits of uptime more than anyone, and that to avoid those bumpy roads, you need to combine the strength of technical specifications with the smartness of optimized services. So, the next time you're thinking about a new truck for your livestock transport, let's meet face to face. Allow us to show you that this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of truck. It's a solution tailored for the only business that matters, yours.